Hi, this is Dr. Lou Jacobs at Jacobs Chiropractic Acupuncture Center in Portland, Maine, and I am here to show you how to use a foam roller on the muscles alongside your spine. The muscles alongside the spine are the ones that are most often implicated in generic back pain, and being able to use one of these when things feel tight can be really helpful. The foam roller is a high density foam that can be a little bit on the uncomfortable side while you're using it, but it usually feels a lot better after you're done. So here's how you do it. You put the foam roller down like this. Then you lean back over the foam roller, and you don't want to lie directly on the spine. You want to lie off to the side. My legs are here to push me up and down, and I'm going to go up and down and go to the other side and up and down. And you repeat this multiple times until you've reached proper tenderization. What does that mean? Well, typically, if you do 5 to 10 repetitions on each side 2 or 3 times, that's going to be plenty. This is a really great tool to use at home to take care of your back. And if you're interested in other great tools, my top 11 favorite tools to use at home for your back, check out drloujacobs.com, where you can, without any commitment whatsoever, not even an email, with no commitment, you can have all the information in my top 11 guide. Thanks very much for watching. Hope this helps. Take care.